Hello and welcome back to this channel. Well, past time we were having some little issues getting things sorted out because we got that kind of uh, issues with the idea of a paragraph that is also an object test that we have that missing thing that we just comprehend here when we do just like see and I open the parentheses and it will just do in the whatever is in the middle of the parentheses. And if I do, oh, I made this screen. Just let me adjust it very quickly. But if we do Z A and open a parenthesis, it will also delete the parenthesis. So if you remember in the lesson where we ident the paragraph, we will do something like GQ and we will say around the paragraph and the AP is the part that we will say. So on the object is the paragraph. So that's the thing that allow us to ident. So it's very similar to this concept. So let's continue. So as it says like what we practice this past time. If we do DA and open a curly brace, we could do there or just here at the A, right? But if we do instead DI and open the curly braces, we will just delete the inside the contents of the definition. So same thing if we do Y and we want to include the quotes, we will just do that. And this allows us to copy just the whatever is in the inside the quote, the single quotes. If we do P to paste it, it will paste with the quotes. But again, if we do Y, I, whatever is inside of the quotes, and we will do P, it will paste it without the quotes. And this works also with registers and macros. That's what we have done. So next thing is to remember how to do the operator and the text objects. So we do the IP, we will delete inside the paragraph. And the visual mode, we can also combine them. So let's do here a little GQAP to read properly the instructions. So we will say that anywhere inside the curly braces and use VA and the parentheses to do the selection inside that. So if we do here VA and here, it will allow us to select the total scope of the function. So same thing. We can also use junk, but I don't know. Maybe you want to do something else. So we use V I and the definition we could use junk or do that kind of idented selection that maybe you want to do. So let's do the next exercise. Again, let's do a quick GQ. So if we use GQ, it will operate on the line. So that's the object. So it says that we can do CI and the opening parentheses to change the values. So it says that if we do F and do F again and do CI parentheses, and so let's type oh ci, whatever is in the parentheses. Dot type 1 and test user and escape. So maybe you aren't noticing, but we can use this and record a proper macro, and we can just adjust as we need without having to do tricks to find the next parenthesis or do percentage sign. Really good. Again, let's go here. GQAP. Undo because this is the line with that kind of thing. So again, a little practice. GI, whatever is inside the quotes, and $P. Oh, we didn't junk it. So GI double quotes. I think that I forgot the double quotes. And finally, this thing. Pretty good. Next. So with that, we finish our module on text objects. Sorry that it took two parts. This is very simple. You can look for new text objects if you want to operate on them. And I think that the next thing, as the module says, is just start to customize the operator. I think that is the final module. Let's check. I'm pretty sure that is the next one is the final module. Yes. How to customize V. And the little key, and just like using plug as your plugin manager. So the next one will be the final video on the series. I think that whatever is outside this is just a take combination. I could create a module, leave me a comment if you want that. But I think that the next one will be the last module that we will see together. And thank you for doing this far. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye. Happy learning.